Yeah, I tell you, got that shit. I got that suave on me at all times, man. Yo, what's good? I heard you trying to get some FreeForms. Hey man, hold up. First of all, let's get the progress real quick. Cause that's that. So I say it's a lot of misconceptions because, you know, everybody got their message, you know. Oh, you gotta do this, you gotta do that shit. Bro. You gotta leave the shit. You gotta leave it and believe it, you know what I'm saying? You know, whenever I first started doing it, I was watching a lot of YouTube and a lot of niggas talking about towels and sponges and crochet. I was about to pay money to go get my shit crocheted, but I didn't. I just used a towel at first with a little bit of lock and twist with the purple top. You buy that shit at Walmart. I put it in my hair, but you know, I got my shit wet in the shower. It was just coming out, so I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna just leave it. And I just left my hair. I washed that shit out of my hair, and I just left my hair. And I wasn't really washing it too much, unless I got sweaty. And I also got dandruff. I got dandruff, I was washing my shit. But, yeah. You know, you just leave your shit and it's gonna do its thing. I say one thing that did help me is probably like going to the beach. I went to the beach. I live in Florida, and I guess the salt in the water just helped my hair lock, and it locked up. Not like instantly, but you know, it helped it. I think it was like 2 months or maybe a month and a half into it. It just helped, I guess, helped make them form or something like that. But the salt just helped, you know. But yeah, have your hair be clean. Don't wash it too often, and leave it. Do your thing, you know, relax, and then in a matter of no time, you'll have FreeForms. Cause I remember I thought I had FreeForms, you know. My hair had like a little tiny, you know, like one of these in the corner, one little tiny little thing, and it was hanging off. And I was going crazy. Oh, my FreeForms. But like, now my hair is locked for real, you know. And I know I got FreeForms, and probably I'll be looking back now like, oh, I thought I had dreads, but. Cause you know, you peep. That shit's just crazy. But nah, it's real simple. You just gotta leave it and believe it. Alright, I catch y'all boys. I'm probably finna be making a video about how to wash your shit, and also I'll probably be making a video. Hey, my bad, bro. I got interrupted by that damn bug. But listen, I'll probably be making a video about how to wash your shit and my progress too. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but fuck with the YouTube channel. Fuck with the music on SoundCloud and our Audio Mac. New music coming soon. And hey, I'll catch y'all boys. G shit.
Yeah. Every check the same, it don't matter how I get it. Robbers playing brains, send a check out to my debit. I be shooting more the game, it don't matter, I still wet it.